Imagine taking just $100 and turning it into 1,000 every single month. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing, it's not only possible, it's something you can start doing as a complete beginner. Today I'm going to break down practical ways to make that happen, step by step. No fluff, no scams, no get-rich-quick promises. Just real strategies that you can use right away. Now, before we jump in, let's be real. That $100 isn't going to magically turn into 1,000 overnight. You'll need consistency, effort, and a little bit of patience. But if you apply even one of these methods and stick with it, that small amount of money can start working for you in a way most people never even think about. Flipping products. One of the easiest places to start is flipping products. With $100, you can go to thrift stores, garage sales, or even Facebook Marketplace, buy items at a discount, and resell them for profit. I know people who started with a pair of sneakers they grabbed for $20 and flipped them for over $100. Electronics, small furniture, even books can sell fast. Here's the trick. Spend some time researching. Check the sold listings on eBay to see what actually moves. That way, you're not guessing, you're making decisions based on real data. A couple of smart flips a week could easily snowball your $100 into $1,000 in less than a month. Freelancing with digital skills. Another powerful way is investing that $100 into learning a digital skill you can sell. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people making money from things like graphic design, video editing, or copywriting. You can grab a course for under $50, practice, and then start offering services. For example, logo designs often go for $30 to $50 each. If you do 20 of those in a month, that's your $1,000. And once you get good at it, you can raise your rates. This isn't just about short-term income, it's a skill that can pay you for years to come. Print on demand. Let's talk about print on demand. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon let you upload designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Every time someone buys, you get paid, and you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Now, maybe you're not a designer. That's where your $100 comes in. You can hire affordable freelancers on Fiverr to make designs for you, or buy a simple design tool and create your own. If you find a niche people are passionate about, sports teams, funny quotes, hobbies, you can generate passive sales day and night. Digital assets. One of my favorite strategies is building digital assets. You could use that $100 to buy a domain name and hosting for a blog, or start a YouTube channel with a cheap mic and software. It might not bring in $1,000 in the first month, but over time, these platforms can pay you through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Think about it like planting seeds. That small investment grows into a tree that keeps giving fruit for years. A blog article written today could make money 5 years from now. Micro-investing. Now, if you're interested in investing, you can start with apps like Robinhood or Acorns. Will $100 instantly make you $1,000? Of course not. But with smart trades, dividend-paying stocks, or even flipping crypto in small amounts, you can grow that 100 into a bigger pool of cash flow. Some people use their initial profit to reinvest again and again until it compounds into something significant. Service businesses. And here's one of the most underrated options: starting a small service business. Think about it: car washing, lawn mowing, tutoring, social media management for local shops. With $100, you can buy basic supplies, print flyers, or run a small ad online. If you charge $50 per job and land just 20 clients in a month, you've hit your 1,000. And the best part? Once people trust you, they'll call you back or refer you to friends, so the income keeps flowing. Putting it all together. The real magic happens when you combine these ideas. Maybe you start with flipping products to get quick cash. Then you reinvest that into building a blog or YouTube channel that earns passive income. Over time, you've got multiple streams of money working for you, and it all started with just $100. So now you know several beginner-friendly ways to turn $100 into $1,000 a month. Which one speaks to you the most? Are you more into flipping, freelancing, or building something long-term like a digital asset? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're planning. And if you want more videos on making money, side hustles, and building financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Remember, it's not about the amount you start with, It's about what you do with it.